Hello, my educational friends. Welcome to next YouTube video. It's an educational video again, and we are going to learn today direct and indirect speech, direct and indirect speech in English. Let us learn what is direct speech and what is indirect speech. Direct speech means the speech which is written, the statement which is written in the narrator's language. Whatever a narrator has said in his own words, if you write that, that becomes direct speech. For example, Aram said to his servant, comma, inverted comma, go home right now. Full stop, inverted comma, closed. So as it was written in the, some more examples I will take. Teacher declared in the class, comma, inverted comma, kindly pay your fees by the end of this week. Full stop, inverted comma, closed. Teacher asked the new boy, comma, inverted comma, what is your good name? Question mark, inverted comma, closed. So these are the direct speech sentences. What is indirect speech? When the statement of a narrator is expressed by someone else. Indirect speech is what? When the sentence or the statement of someone else is written by or is spoken by somebody else. That is called as indirect speech. Now, to convert a direct speech into indirect speech, there are certain rules. First thing is, the rules are according to the tense of the sentence. If it is assertive sentence, the rule is different. If it is imperative mood sentence, rule is different. If it is interrogative sentence, it is different. And if it is exclamatory, the rules are different. So we will take different kind of sentences and transform them into indirect speech. I take one example. Usually, the sentences of present tense are converted into corresponding past tense. Simple present tense will convert into simple past tense, present progressive into past progressive, present perfect into past perfect, present perfect progressive into past perfect progressive. And usually, the simple past tense sentence, it converts into past perfect tense. If somebody's statement is given, when somebody else says, it becomes past tense. So, sentences of present tenses, they convert into corresponding past tenses. Now, let us take some example and learn. Here is a sentence. Johnny said to John, comma, inverted comma, teacher gives a lot of homework on Saturday. Full stop, inverted comma, closed. So when we will change it into indirect speech, this comma, inverted comma will be removed. And as the sentence is, teacher gives a lot of homework on Saturday, is a affirmative sentence or assertive sentence. So in this case, this comma, inverted comma will be removed by that. And here the listener is there, so said will convert into told. Johnny told John, comma, inverted comma, removed by that, teacher gave, the present tense converted into corresponding past tense, simple past tense. Teacher gave a lot of homework on Saturday. Johnny told John that teacher gave a lot of homework on Saturday. Now we will take some more examples and discuss the conversion. Prime Minister said, comma, inverted comma, lockdown comes to an end today. Will start, not comma closed. Again here, lockdown comes to an end today. This is an assertive sentence and in present tense. Lockdown comes to an end today. So, Prime Minister said, our Prime Minister asked, our Prime Minister informed or declared. Prime Minister declared, comma, inverted comma will be removed by that. So, Prime Minister declared that lockdown came to an end that day. In indirect speech, there are some words they convert. Today converts into that day, this converts into that, these converts into those, here converts into there, today into that day, tomorrow, next day, yesterday, day before. These are conversions when we convert into indirect speech. So I repeat this. Prime Minister declared that lockdown came to an end that day. Take some more example. Servant said to master, comma, inverted comma, there is no money left with me. Servant told to the master that there was no money with him. There was no money with him. So this is, you got indirect speech. For the imperative mood sentence, comma, inverted comma is removed by 2 and mostly the things remain the same. Let us just discuss about some imperative mood sentences. Let us continue with the imperative mood sentence. What is the rule for that and how do we go about? In case of imperative mood sentence, this comma, inverted comma is removed by 2, TO2, and the statement usually remains same. And here we have to see what is this, whether it is imperative mood sentence with the request, with order, with instruction, with suggestion. That should be just recognized and accordingly there should be a change here. A student said to teacher, kindly solve this problem on the board. So this is kindly, this shows the request. So here a student requested the teacher. Said to will convert into requested. A student requested the teacher, comma, inverted comma removed by 2, to solve, this will convert to that problem on the board. So a student requested the teacher to solve that problem on the board. That's the answer. Once again I repeat, a student requested the teacher to solve that problem. This converts into that problem on the board. So it was one example. One more example is written here. Doctor said to the patient, comma, inverted comma, take the medicines as per given instruction. Take the medicine as per given instruction. It's an advice. So this statement will convert into doctor advised the patient. Said to will convert to advised, as here you see that it is a advice. So doctor advised the patient to take the medicines as per given instruction. This comma inverted comma, it will be removed by 2. So the answer will go, total answer, doctor advised the patient to take the medicine as per given instruction. Take some more example. Father said to the son, comma, inverted comma, work hard to score better marks in SSC board. Again here it is a advice. So father advised the son, comma inverted comma will be removed by 2, to work hard in order to get better marks in board exams. Priest said the person, comma, inverted comma, preached the God continuously for 3 hours. Again this is a advice. So preach, you will get the priest advised the person to preach the God for 3 hours continuously. The police said the passengers, comma, inverted comma, take care of your belongings. Again it is a advice or information. So police informed the passengers to take care of their belongings. So these are the imperative mood sentences. Next we will be taking interrogative as well as exclamatory sentence in details in the next edition. Thank you. Thank you.